There's something quietly satisfying about replacing two seasonal appliances with one refined solution. If you're looking to simplify your space without sacrificing performance, this may be worth your attention. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we're reviewing the Shark TurboBlade Cool Heat, a 2-in-1 bladeless tower fan and space heater designed for year-round indoor comfort. This product is built for homeowners, apartment dwellers, and office users who want precise climate control in a bedroom, living room, or workspace, without switching devices every season. If you value clean design, flexible airflow, and intelligent temperature management, this is directly relevant to you. The purchase link is available in the description. Let's walk through the most important reasons to consider it. Reason number 1. True year-round performance in one refined unit. The TurboBlade Cool Heat combines powerful cooling with rapid room heating, eliminating the need for separate appliances. With 10 cooling speeds and 3 dedicated heat modes, it adapts easily from summer airflow to winter warmth. The 180 degrees oscillation helps distribute air evenly, reducing hot or cold spots and improving overall room comfort. Reason number 2. Precision heating with Thermo IQ control. Heating performance is where this unit builds buyer confidence. It features 3 engineered heat settings, including Thermo IQ auto temperature control, which adjusts output to maintain your selected temperature. High focus mode delivers concentrated warmth when needed, while low comfort mode provides gentler, ambient heat. The result is fast, consistent warmth without constant manual adjustments, ideal for bedrooms and offices. Reason number 3. Customizable bladeless cooling coverage. On the cooling side, Shark's bladeless design draws in surrounding air and circulates a smooth, uninterrupted breeze. You can pivot from vertical tower mode to horizontal air blanket mode, and even twist the vents in 2 directions to redirect airflow exactly where it's needed. This flexibility makes it easier to cool corners, seating areas, or a desk setup without repositioning the entire unit. Reason number 4. Smart remote with magnetic docking. Daily usability matters. The included remote allows you to adjust fan speed, temperature, oscillation, and mode from across the room. It magnetically docks to the unit, reducing the likelihood of misplacement. It's a thoughtful design choice that enhances ownership experience over time. Reason number 5. Cleaner design, easier maintenance. The true bladeless build not only improves safety in homes with children or pets, but also simplifies cleaning. The Wipe Clean exterior and dust defense filter at the base help capture particles and reduce maintenance effort. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it's appreciated for combining performance with practical upkeep. Final verdict. The Shark TurboBlade Cool Heat stands out for its dual-season functionality, intelligent temperature regulation, and highly customizable airflow. It's not the smallest or most minimal heater on the market, and those seeking ultra-compact travel units may prefer simpler options. However, for anyone wanting a premium, all-season climate solution with modern aesthetics and precision control, this model offers strong long-term value. It's especially well-suited for medium-sized rooms where consistent, adaptable comfort matters. If simplifying your home climate setup while upgrading performance sounds appealing, this is a product worth considering. Take a closer look using the link in the description and choose what aligns best with your space and comfort preferences.